Welcome to our channel. If you want to link PayPal to your bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable transfers and manage your funds effectively. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your computer or mobile device. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon or accessing the menu. Step 2. Select banks and cards from the menu options to view your currently linked payment methods and add new financial institutions. Step 3. Click Link a Bank Account and choose your bank from the list of financial institutions. Many major banks can be linked instantly through secure login credentials. Step 4. Enter your online banking username and password if your bank supports instant verification. PayPal uses secure encryption to connect to your bank and confirm ownership. Step 5. Alternatively, add your bank manually by entering your routing number and account number if instant verification isn't available for your financial institution. Step 6. Confirm the small deposit amounts PayPal sends to your bank account if manual verification is required. Check your bank statement after 1 to 2 business days for 2 small deposits. Step 7. Enter the exact amounts of the 2 deposits in PayPal to complete verification. Once confirmed, your bank account is fully linked and ready for transfers. Step 8. Set your preferred payment method and understand that bank transfers typically take 3 to 5 business days, while instant transfers incur small fees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.